Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make pumpkin spice. It's a combination of warming spices and it's used in so many sweet and savoury dishes. Things like homemade lattes, pumpkin pie, cookies, soups, pancakes, oatmeal. It's a long list. All we need to do now then is to measure out the spices into a small bowl in the following quantities. So it's 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground allspice, and half a teaspoon of ground cloves. So if you already have these spices at home, it really is very quick and easy to make your own pumpkin spice blend. I do hope you found this video useful, and as always, thanks for watching.